Hello everyone, and in this video I show you how to activate your Bank of America credit card. But first, please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to activate your Bank of America credit card, go to Bank of America activation website. Then, if you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, you may need to register for online banking. Provide the necessary details including your credit card number, the card's expiration date and the 3-digit security code on the back. Verify your identity by answering security questions or providing additional information. Follow any additional on-screen instruction or prompts to complete the activation process. Once the activation is successful, your credit card is ready to use. You may need to sign the back of the card before making any purchase. Alternatively, if you have any issues, you can call the activation number on your card for assistance. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.